I can't share. I forgot. No shot clock. Take your time. It's taking forever for the YouTube video to load. It's already complete. It said 100%, but it's still not ready. Yeah, why do they have to send every video through, like, making sure it doesn't have anything bad in it? Huh? But it's internet. We should do a radio broadcast of these games.
Okay.
Then get some ads. This broadcast is brought to you by Pepsi.
Shooter, one down, no basket.
We're just gonna keep that basket up. The Black Mamba, Josh Williams, up and good. Kobe Bryant Jr. Is it for again, dude?
Can I get like a swish?
Ooh, this stuff is salty, man. This popcorn is so salty. Oh. Where's my water? What a shot.
White, 41.
Justin. Yep, number one. Man, the game's almost over.
Stop. Go, pass him.
I'm still waiting for this video to be uploaded. It'll be our first game of the year on YouTube. And I've waited 3 quarters to get it up.
I talk a lot, but I love you. You know that?
Thank you.
I appreciate it. You're a good guy.
Thank you.
Going to 12, quick man.
Oh Lord, I missed it.
Blue 41. Hey, stand. Hey, Josh. Stand. Josh. Go.
Williams.
This pump on the consultant. They make louder noise than the crowd.
White, 41.
That's just 3. He racked up.
Defensively, top of that.
Oh, good save, buddy. Dance around a campfire to the song with a little piccolo and really middle ages pants. Oh my goodness! so sad.
Timeout. 30. Start going middle. Start going middle.
Justin, it's almost there. 90%. We are smashing them. 95%.
Flex your feet, please. Hands up, hands up. Hands up. Shot. Hey. Hands up. You got to get a hand up. Come on, got a challenge there. Who's got 14? This quarter's taking 13 minutes.
I concur. I concur.
No, Chris! Wow, couldn't make a layup. This game is way too quick. Do it again, Chris.